So affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn some passive income in your business. But the problem with affiliate links is they can get pretty long and pretty ugly pretty quick. So one way around this is to use branded short links, or to basically create pretty links if you're coming from a WordPress environment, pretty links to redirect them to an affiliate link of your choosing. And you can easily do this in Squarespace. And in today's video, I'll show you how. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anna Lea from Lay Design Studio, and I create new videos every week about Squarespace and simplifying the tech in your online business. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. And now let's see how you can create branded short links in Squarespace. So basically, to do this, we are going to go to Settings, and under Advanced, we are going to use the URL mappings feature. So the URL mappings basically allows you to redirect any link that doesn't exist on your website to an active link. This can be on your site, or it can be an affiliate link anywhere else, or any other page on the internet. It doesn't need to be an affiliate link, but in this case, it does come in handy for affiliate links. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on URL mappings, and we are going to delete this, and we are going to create this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to decide what the URL is going to be. So in this case, I'm going to be linking to Hotstock. So I'm going to type in /Hotstock, and then I'm going to add dash, angle bracket, and I'm going to paste in my affiliate link. And then at the end, I'm going to say 301. So basically, whenever somebody types in my domain followed by Hotstock, I want the browser to redirect them to this link, and I want this to be a permanent redirect. And you can learn more about how the URL redirects worked in this help article by Squarespace. So I will leave a link to it in the description below. But basically, once I've done that, all I have to do is click on Save, and then we can test it out that the link works. So I'm going to actually copy this part of the website, and then I'm going to type in Hotstock. Now, this doesn't exist anywhere on my site, but when I type it in and I press enter, it should take us to the Hotstock's website. And as you can see, that worked. We are now on Hotstock's website, and they have this ref with my name on it, which signifies that the visitor came from me. And if somebody signs up for a monthly subscription, I will get a small commission. So that is how it works in the case of affiliate links. What you can also do, and I've done this, is I've added on my own website, I have URL mapping that basically when they type in YouTube, they are brought to my YouTube channel along with the subscribe link, so they can immediately subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, it doesn't need to be used for the affiliate links. You can use them for anything else. If you have landing pages somewhere with a tool like Kartra or Podia or ConvertKit or anywhere else, basically you can use this trick to create the branded short link and basically send them to wherever you want them to go. And if you want to learn more about using Squarespace, I have an entire playlist about blogging with Squarespace that you should definitely go have a watch right now if you want to learn how to run a blog with Squarespace. And if you're still in the process of building your website, I have a free website roadmap that walks you through the entire process, which you can download if you click the link down below in the description, or you can also go to laydesignstudio.com/roadmap and get it from there. That's it for today, and I'll see you next week.